Hello, my dear students. Hope all of you are doing well and maintaining good health. I am Dr. Smruti and I welcome you all to Etuson, Education for Better Tomorrow. It's a digital learning platform for Odia and English medium students. If you believe in quality education, then you are in the right platform. As in Etuson, we provide quality education which will definitely help you to build your career. So, without wasting much time, let us start today's class. So today we are going to solve problems based on Theorem 6.1 and 6.2 which we have learned in the previous video. So are you all ready for that? So let us start. So this is example 1. If a line intersects sides AB and AC of a triangle ABC at D and E respectively and is parallel to BC, prove that AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. Correct? So this is what your question is. So now according to your question, your line DE is parallel to BC. Okay, intersecting sides AB and AC at point D and E respectively. Correct? Now, if you remember, what does theorem 6.1 says? That means if a line is drawn parallel to one of the side and intersecting the other two sides at two different points, the ratio of the segment which is obtained by these points are same. So according to your according to your theorem 6.1, as DE is parallel to BC intersecting at D and E, you will get AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Right? Now, if I will find out the reciprocal of this expression, okay? So, it implies this can be written as dB divided by AD is equal to EC by AE, right? Now, let us add 1 both the side. So, because you are adding 1 in left hand side, you have to add 1 in the right hand side also, right? So you'll get dB plus AD by AD is equal to EC plus AE divided by AE. Correct? So from this, what is dB plus AD and what is EC plus AE? Just check it. What is dB plus AD? So D to B is this portion, right? And A to D is this portion. That means if you add dB, okay? So if you add dB and AD, the answer is your AB, right? And what about the other side, that is EC plus AE? Let us see. EC plus AE is nothing but equal to AC. Correct or not? So now the expression which you have got can be written as, so this is equal to, okay, so this is equal to what? So from this you can just write down this is nothing but equal to AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. Now just find out the inverse of it. So you'll get AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. Right? So this we need to prove, right? So whatever we wanted to prove, now we have proved it. Correct, children? Hope you have understood. Now let us go to another problem. Now ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC. E and F are points on non-parallel sides AD and BC respectively, such that EF is parallel to AB. So that AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. Correct? So now let us join point A to C. So now we have to join point A to C. Okay. So now AB is parallel to DC and EF is parallel to AB. Correct? So it implies your line DC will be parallel to EF. Correct? AB is parallel to DC because of the parallel side of the trapezium. Okay? And it is given that EF is parallel to AB. So, if mutually these lines are excuse me, parallel to each other, then DC is parallel to EF. Correct? So, now after joining point A to C, you have obtained now two triangles. Triangle ADC and triangle BAC. Correct? So now, in triangle ADC, so let this point at which it is intersecting this line EF be Z. Okay? So now in triangle ADC, your as G is on the point EF, so you can write down EG is parallel to DC, right? DG is parallel to DC. So according to theorem 6.1, now you'll get AE by ED is equal to AG by GC. Correct or not? So now let us observe the other triangle, that is BAC. So in triangle BEAC, just check it. So in triangle BAC, now GF is parallel to AB, right? EF is parallel to AB. That means GF is also parallel to AB. So now according to theorem 6.1, what you will get? So this will divide the sides, two sides, in the same ratio. So you will get BF by FC is equal to GC, right? So let us go to next page. So in triangle BAC, your GF is parallel to AB. Correct? So from this you can write that the side, that is BF by FC is equal to AG by GC. BF by FC is equal to AG by GC. Correct? So, let this equation 2, right? So, you have AG by GC, BF by FC, right? Now, you compare this equation 1 and 2. So, what was there in equation 1? You have AE by ED is equal to AG by GC, right? And in the equation 2, you have BF by FC is equal to AG by GC. So, AG by GC is equal to both AE by ED and BF by FC respectively. Correct or not? So, comparing equation 1 and 2, we get AE by ED is equal to AG by GC is equal to BF by FC. Correct? So now what you were supposed to prove? So AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. Now you just check. You have it here. So you have AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. So you got AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. Correct? So your expression is being proved. Right? So now let us solve one more problem. So in figure 6.16, so because the reference has been taken from the book, so the figure is 6.16. PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR, and triangle PS and the angle PST is equal to PRQ. Okay, so you have what? You have PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR, right? And also your angle PST is equal to angle PRQ. So now just observe what is PST and PRQ. So PST is equal to PRQ. So now you don't know whether ST is parallel to QR. But theorem, according to theorem, according to theorem 6.2, if a line is dividing two sides in the same ratio, then the lines should be parallel to the other side. Correct or not? So here PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR. So from theorem 6.2, you obtain ST is parallel to QR. Right? ST is parallel to QR. If ST is parallel to QR, so that means the angle PST will be equal to angle PQR, as ST and QR is parallel lines and PQ is the transverse, right? So these are the corresponding angles, right? So these are the corresponding angles, right? So PST is equal to PQR. Now here what is PST? PST is equal to PRQ also. So that means you have angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Correct or not? Right? So now this angle and this angle are equal to each other. If these two angles are equal to each other, it so in triangle PQR we get the side opposite to the equal angle, that is PQR opposite side is PR and PRQ opposite side is PQ. So PR is equal to PQ. So if PR is equal to PQ, so automatically it is proved that triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle, right? Is isosceles triangle having two equal sides. Correct? Understood, children? So, these were some of the problems related to theorem 6.1 and 6.2. So, in the next class, we'll be solving problem from the exercise. Thank you so much for your patient hearing. Hope you have liked this video. Share with your friends, subscribe our channel. Please don't forget to download the Etuson app so that you can avail all the facilities at your fingertips. Keep learning, keep smiling, and take care of yourself. And don't forget to follow us in Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook too. Bye.